Okay, so let's quickly have a look. PQ, you can say square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Okay, it's better to use 2 and 1 because you're not always going to have line A, B. Sometimes it's line PQ. So rather use x2 minus x1 instead of xa minus xb. You're basically just subtracting the x values, subtracting the y values. Okay, so we're going to have for the x values 5 and negative 3. So negative 3 minus 5 squared plus the y values, negative 1 minus, actually it's going to be the negative 1, yes, just minus 2 squared and then the square root. So that's going to give you square root of 73, which will be 8,54 units. Make sure you substitute them correctly, and then you get the answer on the calculator.